welcome to Technical Tuesdays Volume 13. Now, first of all, this is the first Technical Tuesdays I've actually done since our event, so I would just like to thank everybody who turned up, and we appreciate all of the support. We met some great people who travelled from all corners from the UK. It was very, very nice to see everybody and just network and see what other people are up to and so on. So yeah, thank you for that. We've got a lot of new website content that's coming, so sorry, I'm tired. New website content on the way. I'm sure also if you haven't seen it, go and check out the event highlights on the YouTube channel. Second to that, market's been alright. Been having some couple good trades in the past week or so, so I'm going to go over some of the things, some most important things I'd like to highlight on a few pairs and what's going on, a couple of trades that I'm in now, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So today, it's been quite a busy day, very, very long day. I had a student in doing some one-to-one sessions, guy with a completely fresh mind, doesn't know anything about Forex, and he did pretty well actually after the first 2 days. I would also like to just drop in there that we've changed our course structure. We're now doing 3 days instead of 2 days. We've put some exam periods in there, just tests and so on, and we're also covering aspects of market manipulation and just going on to more broader subjects. So yeah, it's very exciting to branch out basically and see the results come from the students. We've had some very, very good results come so far, so we hope to continue. Now guys, let's stop talking and go straight to the charts. This is what we all want to see. So as you can see, Euro USD over here. Right, I'm just going to go through what we went through today with a student. This here is just a JPEG image of some charts that we went through. This is the daily Euro USD. So as you can see, let me start from the top. 1.4 monthly resistance. From you guys who've been watching my videos the longest, you know that I called out this double top way back in March, May, June times. Okay, so we had the shooting star on the double top, hit target 1, neckline, standard textbook target level from the head and shoulders. Broke that, retest, continuation, a little bit of fiddling. We had the moving average spread wide open, indicating quite strong downward movement. So yeah, we took the height of support 1 to the monthly resistance, added it onto the neckline and target 2. I'm sure many of you guys know that. And we broke that. So all we did again was take the range height and add it onto the bottom again, put the support level on and see what other confluences we have. Historical data suggests that we had other support and resistance levels. So as you can see here, we pierced through that, and then we had the biggest day. I think it was the biggest day. Yeah, I think it was. It was about 160 to 180 pip drop. It was such a simple trade as well. Trend down weekly, trend down daily. Come to the 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. Simple trend line, counter trend line, breakout, boom, straight in the trade. Probably a 1 to 4, 1 to 5 risk reward if you manage to catch that one. And now, as you can see, we're trading around here. We're just hovering. And then again, we've took the range high and added it onto the bottom. Simple steps. The market likes to move in steps, staircases, I like to call it. Anyway, support for major weekly support. So as you can see, we're hovering. So we can. I do think we're going to come down to 1.2770, but first we might come up to 1.3030, 1.3070 before we actually see break. As that was a breakout, I hit the retest. Now we're going to get the continuation down. Also, I'd like to point out your USD weekly. As you can see here, we are on the flat Kumo baseline now, and we can see this triple bottom that we had about 2 years ago, major key level. But last week's candle, which is very interesting, actually closed as a pin bar slash hammer, which does indicate a pin bar hammer comes at the end of a downtrend and does indicate that some profit has been pulled out of the market, and there might be some buyers there as well, which has caused the price to push back up. So we could see a little bit of upward momentum. And again, just coming back to the 2 hour chart, just bear with me. Come back to the 2 hour chart. As you can see here, we had the big sell-off, and then boom again. So many people, fear of missing out, wanted to sell, trap some volume. The market's trapped some volume at 1.2880, and now it's making the higher lows and so on. So I do think we might see a sudden upward spike to this 200 MA here at 1.3030, 1.3040. So keep an eye on that one, guys. Next chart which I like to go through today is indeed the Aussie dollar. Okay, let me just erase all lines. I love that button. So simple. Right, last week. That's what happened last week. Whoa. Okay, so Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar for right. Let me start here. Last week's candle was insane. Huge bearish engulfing candle. It's engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, about 20 candles, 20 weeks in a row. Just going sideways, up, down, up, down. We were trapped between 0.9200 and 0.9500. Off the top of my head, trap, 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 and then boom, snapped straight down. Again, guys, if you guys, I posted this beautiful trade setup 2 weeks ago, 4-hour chart, Fibonacci significant high, A, B. It popped up on last non-farm payrolls. Everyone was trying to get long. I put it, just go find it somewhere on Twitter, somewhere on Instagram, probably like my 10th post back. Sell, and it was just day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Fib 1 hit, Fib 2 hit. So simple, and even went beyond that. So yeah, as you can see, guys, we've completely taken out 20 weeks, top of my head, 20 weeks, I'm not counting them again, I'm tired, 20 weeks of price action, boom, and we've also got the MA and Kijun crossover now to the downside. The cloud did in fact try to go bullish, but now it's leveling off. Might see a downward, stupid cable, we might see crossover back to the downside. So where can this actually go? What else can we do with this? With that in mind, Fibonacci, I'm just a fib addict. A significant high, A, B, C retracement here, where this kind of shooting star is, the 38.2, and then the D extension is 0.8390 and 0.7789. I don't think it will go that far, but I do think it can go to 0.8390. So let me just put that there, and now let me just zoom out. So any confluences? Any confluences? Yeah, we've got a bit there. We've got a bit around here. Resistance, support. So yeah, we have got historical confluences of support and resistance with that Fibonacci. What else can we add? It's all about adding confluences, guys. The more confluences you have, the higher probability your trade is going to be. It's quite simple when you know what you're doing. So I love this parallel line tool as well. It's like gold. So yeah, if we do come down on the Aussie weekly overall, got a confluence, 3 confluences for a target. 3 confluences for a target. So yeah, crossover, downward momentum. So with that being said, let's move all the junk. Overall trends down. You're not going to go against that bar, are you really? If it comes up and does reverse off that bar, Aussie's, it's a miracle worker. But still, let's come down to the daily. As you can see, that's the support which was broken, 0.9200. Again, we could simply put actually forget the fib. Breakout with a quick retest on one day, closes a shooting star. We're under that support now. Again, flat cloud here. Again, sometimes the level of support resistance might be too dynamic just for one line, so you might just want to highlight the whole thing. But I do think, let's go even lower. 1 second. So I'm just going to go up through Euro Yen after this, then gold, then I'm going to call it a day. So this looks juicy. It came up today, had a little bit of a sudden uproar. So now if we know the whole trend's down, let's put some fibs on. Breakout, retest, continuation. Let's take this as a significant high. As you can see, capped by the 50% Fibonacci, and then the confluences on this fib, A, B, C, D. If this 50 does hold, again comes into confluence with that support level, that dynamic level from the daily. So again, confluence is everywhere. Confluence Kingdom. Yeah, down. I like that. Let's just go a little bit lower. Got any more clues? It looks quite juicy. We've got flat Kumo here. Actually, guys, you know what? I did a 17-minute video about Technical Tuesdays about 20 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago. Saved it and realised I didn't plug the goddamn headphones in, and I actually did enter this live on my account. So here we go. Look, I'm in at 5 lots. Got 2 real accounts here. Not that I ever trade demo. For those demo guys, I heard something funny the other week. One guy tried to say that I rent my MyFX book results. There's just no winning in this world. There's just no winning. So we've decided to take it up another level by doing a new series of videos where we actually show you live trades, because due to high demand again, we've had some people say, "Oh, can you post a profit video?" Can't even speak. Sorry, man. It's a long day. Can you post more profit videos for motivation, so on? So yeah, I'm going to do it. If it's a hide, I can do my analysis. I can enter it with you guys, catch up if it's profit or loss, go through the actual trade again, just to give you deeper insight into what we do. So yeah, this is the Aussie. I entered 5 lots. I'm still down the spread at the moment, but if it does, I think it could potentially come up to 0.9130 again to test the 61.8. If it does, I'll be looking at putting another sell on just a little bit higher. But again, my targets are 0.8920, 0.8880. So yeah, here we go. For you guys who are new and wondering why I've got 2 charts, I do all my analysis on this professional charting software. And I've got Alpari UK broker, so I either do it on my phone, but my phone's broke at the moment. Getting a new Sony Z3 this week with a bigger screen. I'm leaving the iPhone because I hate it. So yeah, I've just got to switch over to MetaTrader, put the trade in. So yeah, I'm sure Aussie. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that's Aussie. Bearish, bearish, bearish. I've gone through that. I hope you understand. EJ. Right, Euro yen. I did post a few times about Euro yen again on Twitter, guys. If you're not following my Twitter, at AstroFX13 Pro. Breakout, false breakout, breakout, false breakout, and then we've got the breakout, the real breakout. Trend line, if you guys know how to trade trend lines. Trend line break, overall target should be the first point, which also falls in confluence with previous support and resistance again. Could do this all day, but yeah. Euro yen 140 is currently trading at 138.84. So we've got 116 pips, 116 whole juicy pips. So yeah, that's that basically. What else can I say about Euro yen? What else can I say about it? Marathon runner, Euro yen. It's like a triathlon. Sorry, shouldn't swear on here. Triathlon currency pair. Oh, that's what I wanted to show about Euro yen. Sorry, this is some more I did today. So I figured out, okay, it's got space to come up here. So I zoom down. I think this is the 30-minute chart. Put a fib on. Put this triangle on basically with a student today. Moving averages tried to cross, but they bounced straight back off each other just before the breakout. It's like warning, we're going to break out. Breakout, retest. Made a new high. Breakout, retest, continuation. For those button bashers out there, always wait for the continuation. So once it closes over that, which I think it did, then boom, I put the fib on. Confluence D1, D2 lines at 140.11. So I got confluences, 3 confluences for a target there, and a nice triangle setup. So yeah, I hope that helps, guys. What else have I got? Euro USD, back to Euro USD quickly here. This was the downward play on the 4-hour chart. Price action, lower swing highs, downward momentum daily, breakout. We had no retest, straight down. Again, this was the big move on that day, and as you can see, 1.2770 is my overall target, but it could come up first. Again, if there's a lot of people selling, the market go up, stop some people out, be nasty for a bit, and then drop it. Equal highs, MA crossover, exit sign if you were short there. So there's that. So I've gone Euro USD, Aussie dollar, Euro yen. So let me just go on to gold. Gold, nice opportunity here on gold, I think. If I'm wrong, then I need to go back to the drawing board. I'm no gold expert. This is my disclaimer. Don't follow any of my advice on gold. I'm still putting my strategies together on gold, but I'm using the techniques that I use on Forex over to here. A lot of people always say, bro, what about gold and oil? But they can't even make 10 pips on Euro USD and never done a withdrawal. So guys, relax on the gold and oil and copper. Just master a few pairs over here first on Forex. Then when you're comfortable, go on to gold. It's just a word of advice. So I had a very nasty experience on gold once, which I won't share here today. Some of the students know that one, it's quite funny. So yeah, we had a breakout here, as you can see. Previous support broken out. Today's candle, retest. Continuation. Can we get a continuation? If we do, I do indeed think we are going to come down to 1187. 1187, okay? And we're now trading at 1235. That's like 490 pips or something like that, or ticks or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I do think gold's got a lucrative opportunity here on gold right now. Come on, charts. But yeah, this is my other chart on gold. Simple little tick chart. There's my little 1 minute chart, which I'll just look at. 1 second, guys. I'm going to finish up in a moment. Come on, my gold. Yeah, as you can see, breakout, retest, retest. We had some crazy moves today. Spike, spike, spike. But yeah, gold all the way down to 1186. 1186. Everything's bearish on this pair. We've got the nice 200 MA sloping down. Cloud, breakout, retest, continuation. Again, price action, price action, price action, price action. One sec. Oh. Okay, so Euro USD done, Aussie done, gold done, Euro yen done. I don't want to go over anything else, guys. I'm sorry. GBP USD is boring, but I'm short on that. I'm short on gold, but I can't share any signals. I don't endorse signals or anything like that. I just give you my insight into the market. So I hope that helped you guys. And look out for our new videos, which we'll be advertising soon and sharing with you guys. And also, don't forget to go on our website in about a week with our new videos and course content. So I hope you all have a great week in the market, and we'll speak soon. Bye bye.